Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to teach you how to unlock, remove or get rid of the lock screen password on your Samsung A53. I want to remind you that this procedure will also erase everything that's stored in your phone's memory. There's no way to save it, okay guys? In some cases you'll need to connect the USB cable to your laptop, but you don't need to download any program, any file or anything like that, alright? So let's get started. Now you're going to press the volume down button and the power button. When it restarts, you release the volume down and press the volume up. Pay close attention to the timing as it restarts. Some devices take a little longer, others a bit less, but you'll be able to do it, okay? Now release the volume down, press the volume up, release the power button, and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode, okay? That's why in some cases you'll need to connect the USB cable. So whichever way works for you, whether with or without the cable, let us know in the video description or better yet in the comments to help other people out. And if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and subscribe, leave a like, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments so we can help you out, okay? When you get to this screen, I also want to remind you that this procedure works for some other Samsung models as well, okay? So now we're going to scroll down by pressing the volume down button until we reach the fifth option where it says wipe data, factory reset and confirm with the power button. On this next screen we scroll down with the volume down button and confirm with the power button. If you need to unlock the Google account on this device or any other model, we can do this unlocking remotely as well. So in the video description I'll leave my WhatsApp number. If you need it, you can contact me directly, okay? So if you're interested in working from home, perhaps unlocking any type of cell phone or mobile device, I'll leave in the video description below the web link that you can absolutely and easily access to check it out for yourself and see exactly how you can do it step by step, alright? It's the last link, you can check it out there. And the good thing is that you can work from anywhere. In many cases you don't even need a computer. It's a great investment you can make for yourself, okay? So once you get to this screen, we just confirm. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel. Our pics will be in the video description. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.